Morning guys, just trying to do my live from the kitchen today. Okay, so what is the important things that a beginner who is looking at starting keto need to know before starting? Okay, so keto is a low carb diet. There are fatty acids that your body needs that are essential to keep your body healthy. Okay, there are essential amino acids in proteins that you also need to prevent illness and disease, right? But there is no such thing as an essential carb or an essential sugar. There really isn't. Okay, so that's an important fact, is that keto is a low carb lifestyle. Okay, healthy in high fats is another point. Okay, so step number 2 is healthy in high fats. So fats to avoid are going to be things like margarine, vegetable oil, canola oil, rapeseed oil, soybean oil. These are all hydrogenated oils, okay? And if you are building your cells from unhealthy fats, then they're going to cause havoc in your body sooner or later. So it's important to be incorporating healthy fats into your diet. Now, when thinking of fats, fat is actually an acronym for from animal tissue. Okay, that's step 1. But you can also incorporate fats such as olive oil or coconut oil or avocados or even eggs. Okay, healthy fats, that's what we're looking for. So you should be replacing your vegetable oil, your canola oil, your margarine, and your other spreads that are not butter, okay, with healthy fats such as real butter, coconut oil, vegetable oil, olive oil. Oh my gosh, my words are getting minced up. So that's what we're going to be looking for, is healthy fats. Another thing, so step 3, is keto is a whole food, real food lifestyle, okay? So this is not really a pre-packaged food. You know those light and easy meals that you can order, or you can buy them in Aldi, or you know, that are classed as healthy on-the-go meals. This is really not a pre-packaged lifestyle, okay? So that's something to really keep in mind. Most things that I make from scratch, and you know, you have to put time and effort into it, and some people do have time and some people don't. There are quick and easy ways that you can incorporate this into your life, even if you are not, you know, a superior cook or something crazy like that. Other things that you can know is there is actually no product that you need to do lifestyle. You don't need shakes, you don't need bars, you don't need pills, you don't need the ketones that they sell. Okay, you don't need that. You actually don't need that. You know, there might be some healthy ones out there, but that's something that you don't actually need. Okay. So another thing that you could actually be worried about when I'm talking about whole food, real food, is the cost. Okay. So don't worry if you can't afford the, you know, organic grass-fed butter straight off the bat. Like, who can? No one can. There are cheap, easy, budget ways to do keto safely without having to buy the fancy butter off the rack if you can't afford it. I mean, if you can, great, because, like, you know, there's nothing that tastes better than superior butter. There really isn't. So this is not a fad diet. That is something that gets thrown around a lot, because you may have seen a lot of this online and in the news lately about the keto fad diet, but this is not actually a fad diet. So think about this. 50,000 years ago, your human ancestors, what were they eating? I can tell you right now that they weren't going to the 7-Eleven and buying, you know, the hot dog off the rack. They weren't. They were eating meat and veg and occasionally seasonal fruits and berries. Okay, so that's what they're going to be eating, and that's what this is. It is an ancestral diet. So, and our bodies are actually designed to eat like this. They actually are. Okay. Anyway, I hope this has answered some of your questions, because I've had a few people asking me about the lifestyle that I choose and why I choose it and is it sustainable. And even my husband this morning was asking how long have we been doing this for, and I think we've been doing it for over 12 months now. So we started the first day of January in 2019. So, it is sustainable, Anyway, I'll talk to you at this time tomorrow, and have a good day.